How's that EEG printout?
No change in the polarity of the cells.
Did you try the CH compound?
Yes. There was no change in the molecular structure either.
Must be something that'll cause a breakdown.
There is. The laser experiment.
Yeah, but it's a bit too destructive for our purposes, wouldn't you say? Besides, substance doesn't collect in a single mass like a tumor. It seems to favor the spinal column. Now, if we bombard that with a laser, forget it. I don't want to think about it. We gotta find a substance that the human organism can tolerate. Something that has direct affinity and the ability to neutralize when the alpha rhythms fade out.
Was.
Come on, easy, will you, Frank? Splashed out with only yesterday afternoon. First team finished its report, 3 hours ago. They flew it here as fast as they could. Well, it's all in the final report.
Can you help me here? Yeah. I'm sorry, Jim. I'm just a little edgy. It's a long flight, and frankly, I wasn't prepared for what I saw.
Yeah, who was?
How much more of this substance do we have?
Well, there was more, but after the first report was in, orders were issued to ship most of it to Colorado for underground storage.
Near Denver? Are they nuts?
Look, we can't control what they do with it. We can only suggest. Orders come from the top.
How did they package it?
Oh, all necessary precautions were taken. Neutralized emulsion.